Hello students, in this video we have doing the answer or the word power of lesson number 10, children who are wanted every hour exercise. Now from exercise students, listen and repeat. You have to listen it carefully and then repeat it. Power, hour, shower. Magnify, try, beautify. Zeal, seal, wheel. Farm, harm, calm. Task, ask, flask. So all of you repeat it. Now go to the word power. Fill in the blanks choosing the appropriate word from the following. Means we have to, the helping words is given to us. So with the help of these words we fill these blanks. First one is, desert plants are adapted to cope with extreme heat. Second, he wants to be in control of his own destiny. Third, despite her earnest effort, she could not find a job. The dry summer has magnified the problem of water shortage. The sinews of our body are the source of power. The chief minister is working with great zeal. So this is the students, fill in the blanks. Now go to the comprehension, answer the following questions. Here question number 1 is, how have the children been described in first stanza? Write at least 5 qualities of children. So answer of that question is, in the first stanza, the poet has described the qualities that the children should possess. The children who are full of spirit and strong willpower, who are physically and mentally strong and powerful and wanted always. Also, they are fit to cope with every situation. Such children are liked by everybody. Question number 2 is, who are weaning drones? Weaning drones किसे कहा गया है? Answer is, weaning drones are those people who are lazy and give nothing to the society. Such people are always seen to be complaining. Question number 3, write the rhyming words of the second stanza. So the rhyming word of the second stanza is magnify and try. Question number 4, how are you expected to do the work according to the poet's wish? Answer, the poet expects us to work with true and earnest zeal. He wants us to pull all our energy and effort into our task and do it honestly and sincerely. Question number 4, do you think children are a nation's destiny? If yes, say how. Answer, yes, children are a nation's destiny because they are going to be the future of the nation. If they are strong and full of power, the nation will also be. Hence, in their hands lies their nation's destiny. So students, these are the answers of comprehension question. So you have to write it on your fair notebook and learn it. Learn all the answers. Here let's write, there is one question like, Mohan is getting his parcel registered. He take the following step. Like first, visit the post office, then the parcel is weighted, buys the requestee's stamp, then sticks the stamp on the parcel, goes back to the registered parcel counter, hand over the parcel, and last collect the receipt. So you have to write the whole procedure one by one and write in the given space. Now here Mohan tells his younger brother how he got his parcel registered. मोहन ने अपने छोटे भाई को बताया कि उसने किस तरह से पार्सल को रजिस्टर्ड किया. यूज एक्टिव एंड पैसिव एज नेसेसरी. एक्टिव और पैसिव आपको जहां जरूरत हो वैसे यूज करना है. लाइक फर्स्ट सेंटेंसेस, फर्स्ट आई विजिटेड द पोस्ट ऑफिस, देन द पार्सल वॉज वेट, आफ्टर दैट आई बाउट द रिक्वेस्टीज स्टैम्प, I stuck the stamps on the parcel, I went back to the registered parcel counter, I handed over the parcel, and at last I collected the receipt. So by this procedure, Mohan get his parcel registered. So students, you have to fill this answer in your book.